series here. I'm gonna call it the ranch series, but we got a garage over here, a cat backhoe. We got a big Tex equipment trailer here. That can't tow the backhoe, but that's okay. We got a jet ski here, a John Deere Gator. And then in the garage we got the Lizard F350 and a what should I call it? A Tesla. I need to take the Alright, hold on guys, I'm gonna do something real quick. Alright, perfect guys, so the controls on this backhoe are a little bit backwards than I'm used to, so. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take the forks off here. I'll put the bucket on. Hold on a minute guys. The bucket is on dollies, so I can just slide it over here. I take the dollies off, put it on the ground. Alright. Perfect, we're gonna go do some work down by the boat ramp. Alright, we're gonna go do some work down by the boat ramp. And this backhoe I didn't buy this for this property. I was planning on buying a John Deere tractor with a backhoe, but this was left here when I bought it actually. When I bought the place, this was left here. So, that's okay, because I will use it. I might sell it. You guys let me know down in the comments down below if I should sell it or not. But we're going to do some work on the boat ramp here. Oh yeah, my friend requested for me to zoom out a little bit so you can see a bit better, so I will do that. This is just a lake here. We will be buying a boat. We don't have a boat yet, but put down our stabilizers and alright, let me get this bucket the right way here, guys. Oops. Yeah, controls are backwards on this. Alright, I actually haven't ran this backhoe yet, so I'm just going to get used to it here. Alrighty. I do like how it is gravel, our boat ramp here, so we're not sinking in the mud. Just gotta fix something down in here. Alright. We're done done with the backhoe for now, guys. Yet again, I am not used to the controls on this. I'm used to excavator controls. But seriously, guys, I haven't used a backhoe. Whoa, those are bright. I haven't used a backhoe in Farm Sim in a very long time, guys. So I've used excavators, but not backhoes. So it's been a bit. Just do that. Put those up. Oops. Oh, guys, we are playing on Pinewood Farms. So a cool thing about Pinewood Farms, if you dig a little hole down on the map, water will come up. So that's kind of cool. Because I didn't dig very deep when I used the landscape tool. I didn't dig very deep. Alright, guys, so we're going to park this back in here, and I don't know what else we're gonna do this episode. We might go pick up a mud truck next episode, maybe a camper and all that fun stuff, an actual boat, because all we got is a jet ski. So I'll show you guys our truck here in a minute. Right now I can't tow the backhoe because I don't really need to, but I do have a big Tex trailer that I'll use when I get like a lawnmower, a different tractor, when I buy cars or whatever. Alright. Shut off the beacon lights here. Oops. And we'll jump out. We just push these forks. I don't know why the forks are on, and I can't move the forks. So I'll show you guys our truck here. Alright, running over to the house here. This is our truck. It's just a Lizard F350. If you have any suggestions on trucks, let me know, because I will change it out. And this is the Tesla over here. We do have an empty bay in the garage too, so I'll show you guys upstairs in the house. This is the kitchen and living room, and this is what's in here. This is the bedroom. Alright, bye guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Alright, bye guys. Peace.